I just turned the lights off. Uh, you know, you could kind of see the lights on this thing, what have you, and then the LED lights. I just turned the overhead lights off. And this is what this is what I've been doing with this thing. And I'm kind of liking the effect on it. But I got one more tier to put up on it and then fill it up full of bits, which is not going to be a problem because these are just a few of them that I've been finding just laying around. So let's cut the lights back on. And power on. So that's what it looks like so far. So it's kind of going with a look because it's going to be setting up there with all the bits in it, what have you. Easy to find a bit, kind of go with the table a little bit. So, and why not? But this thing has grown way more than what I anticipated. So with that being said, we need to wrap this thing up. So we still got the top to do, this very top. I elevated this a little bit, put some red LEDs up under there. You know, I'm not going to go with the flashy thing or anything like that because I think just the lights alone, and if I'm sitting in here after a project or something, to cut the lights out, have me a beverage, just sit down, then, you know, I can look at all this. Somebody walks in and sees that they're going to, Jesus Christ, you guys certainly don't have anything to do. But anyway, this thing is just really gone way out of proportion. Not way out of proportion, but enough. So I just got the single row around here. Now this top one can have holes all in it, but I'm not going to go with the same amount of lights. At least I don't think I am anyhow. Because soldering them little bastards a pain in the ass. So, and if you don't have one of these, it's a ATX breakout board. If you don't have one, get one, because it just hooks to a computer power supply, and it gives you 12, 5, and 3 volts. So kind of neat to have if you don't have one. So, and you know, you can test your stuff as you're making it. You got the voltage right there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this apart and first we need to match mark it. And I'll be glad when this thing is done. Trust me, but I'm telling you that. I will be very glad. So I'm going to have to hollow this one out pretty good. And I don't know. I'm still thinking of going with the ultraviolets, but I kind of want the same effect with the red up underneath, which is not a bad idea. But I want to have maybe some white LEDs shooting straight out the top. So we're going to have to see how that goes, because that's just soldering these things up. It takes just a ton of LEDs, just a ton of soldering. And it's not like I don't have them. I got plenty of them. It's just, this thing got out of control. So we know this is the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to hollow out quite a bit of this, and I'm going to hollow out quite a bit of this. But if we put this up there and kind of get it closely centered, it's going to be, I have a light here, one here, one here, and one here, and that's pretty much it. So that's not too many lights. I can deal with that. It's a pain in the butt doing these things. So, and I know this has been a long video, long videos, and I want to get it done with just as much as y'all do. So we're going to lay out for these lights, bolt it back together, do a little routing on it right quick. None of this is going to take Not really sure how this is going to come out in the dark, but one thing I can say, thank the good Lord, it is done. It is officially done. Spent way more time on this thing than I should have. All I gotta do is get it tied into the table. No big deal. And cut some lights back on here. And
Power on.
power on. I think it come out really good. But I'm a little prejudiced. And when I said I had a few drill bits, I wasn't kidding, and I haven't got them all out yet. I'm still finding them. They're still in other boxes in other places. And this thing is still messing with this camera. But you can kind of see I got the lights and everything, and I got some up top too. And I got to get it wired into the table, like I said, but now I got someplace to put all my bits. So that's really cool. It's taken a while to do this. So guys, get out there and make you something. I needed a drill bit holder. I just went way overboard with it, but it does look cool with all the lights out. Like I said, I can sit in. There goes my doxy after somebody. But yeah, hit like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Hit that like button down below, and y'all have a good day. And go out and make something.